Good morning, students. Today we will do trend percentage analysis in chapter number 4 in common size statements. Trend percentage analysis are very useful in making comparative study of financial statements for a number of years. अगर कुछ सालों के कुछ ईयर्स के अगर हमारे पास वैल्यूज़ डेटा अवेलेबल है तो हम उस डेटा से लास्ट कुछ ईयर्स के परसेंटेजेस निकाल कर भी हम एक ट्रेंड को चेक कर सकते हैं कि ये किस ट्रेंड की तरफ हमारी वैल्यूज़ जा रही हैं, हमारी सेल्स, हमारी इन्वेंट्री किस ट्रेंड पर चल रही है. तो हमें इसके लिए कुछ लास्ट ईयर वी नीड अ डेटा फॉर लास्ट ईयर्स, लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स, मे बी 2, 3, 4 years. So in this we have to do first question number 4, question number 9, page 4.12. It will be clear with the question. This is question 9, page 4.12. In this question, calculate trend percentage from the following information taking year 2014 as the base year. The values are given for the 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. The values of 4 years are given: inventory, their trade receivables, cash and other current assets. All these values are given about the last 4 years. And we have to make trend percentage analysis. How it will be make? Take the base year 2014. 2014 को हम base year लेंगे and on this base we have to find the percentage of each year, each head. Means inventory 2015, inventory 2016, inventory 2017. How the percentage may be increase or decrease, it will be solved. इसको हम solve करके निकलेगा कि भी कितनी परसेंटेज किसमें इंक्रीज हो रही है, डिक्रीज हो रही है. बट वी हैव टू टेक 2014 एज अ बेस ईयर. हम किसी एक बेस ईयर को ले लेते हैं जो बेसिक ईयर, जैसे हमारे पास वैल्यूज़ हैं इस क्वेश्चन में 14, 15, 16, 17. तो 14 को हमने बेस ईयर लिया, उसके बेसिस पर हम ऑल अदर ईयर्स की परसेंटेजेस निकालेंगे ईच हेड की, हर हेड की कि क्या क्या परसेंटेज वो आ रही है. सो फॉर दिस मेक कॉलम्स This is trend percentage analysis. 2014, 2015, 2016, 2018 and percentage जो हमें trend percentage निकालना है, this is trend percentage. 2014 its percentage, 2015 its percentage, 2016 की परसेंटेज और 2017 परसेंटेज. Now see, first of all, inventory. In current assets it is inventory. Yes, in inventory 2014 it is given 1 lakh, then 125, 1,25,000, 140, 150. All these values of current assets are given. Inventory is current assets, and next current assets is trade receivables. Trade receivables. In this 50, 60, 75, 50,000, 60,000, 75,000 and 1 lakh. Next, cash and equivalents. Next current assets is cash and cash equivalents. All these are current assets. cash and cash equivalents 10,000, 15, 25,000 and 20. 10,000, 15,000, 25,000, then 20,000 in 2018. Other current assets are other current assets. This is 40, 30, 60 and 50. 40, 30,000, 60,000 and 50,000. We have taken all these values of current assets of last 4 years. Now how to make percentage? Take this base year 2014 as base. For this base in inventory in 2014, this is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh by 1 lakh into 100 will get 100%. Then for 2015, 1,25,000 upon base year 1 lakh into 100, then we'll get 125%. 125%. 140 by 1 lakh into 100, then we'll get 140%. 150 by 100 into 150 by 1 lakh into 100, this is 150%. This is a trend of inventory. So take trade receivables 50 by 50 into 100. Base year is 50. For the each year, you have to take the base 50, base of values of 2014. 50 by 50 into 100, then you will get 100%. 60 by 50 into 100, then you will get 120%. Then 75 by 50 into 100, 150%. And 1 lakh by 50,000 into 100, 200%. Now come to next, cash and cash equivalents. This is 10,000 base, 10 by 10,000 by 10,000 into 100, then it is 100%. 15,000 by 10,000 into 100, this is 150%. 25,000 by 10,000 into 100, then it is a 250%. And the next year, this 20,000 by 10,000 into 100, 200%. In the same way, now this is about the other current assets. In 2014, it is 40,000. Take this 40,000 as the base for the each year. First of all, for the 2014 itself, it is 40,000 by 40,000 into 100. This is 100%. And 30,000 by 40,000 into 100, it is 75%. 60 by 40 into 100, this is 150%. And 50 by 50,000 by 40,000 into 100, again it is 125%. All these values, these 4 columns, in these 4 columns, all the values are in percentage. So इसमें हमें ये देख रहा है कि किस में कितनी ग्रोथ, किस में कितना ट्रेंड हमारा रहा कि इन 2014 इन्वेंट्री वाज 1 lakh, in 15 it increased by 125%. So 125, 140, 150 कितना कितना हमारी वैल्यूज़ करंट एसेट्स की इंक्रीज़ हो रही हैं, वो हमें परसेंटेज में सब कुछ क्लियर हो जाएगा. एट द लास्ट मेक द टोटल ऑफ दिस. This is 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 50, 10 and 40. And this is 125, 40, 15, 140, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 30,000. Now come to next. In this 1, 2, 3, 3 lakh. It's 3 lakh. Now come to this 250, 320, 3 lakh 20,000. For the total, you also have to find the percentage of total current assets. Total current assets in 2014 it is 2 lakh, in 15 it is 230, in 16 it is 3 lakh, in 17 it is 320. So take the base 2 lakh. So 2 lakh by 2 lakh into 100, then you will get 100% total current assets, and 230 by 2 lakh into 100, then you will get 115%, 115, and 3 lakh by 2 lakh, it's 150%, and at the last 320 by 2 lakh into 100, it comes about 160%, yes, 160%. 320 by 2 lakh into 100, it's 160%. So all the values are given in the question about the last 4 years, and the percentage you will have to find in this way. This is trend percentage analysis. It is also comparative study for the useful of management. It's all for today. Now thanks.